Are you good? Yes or no? Yes, I think I heard mostly yeses, and that is super. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice matching lowercase letters with Stitch. Of course, Stitch. Stitch is my favorite. We always use Stitch because he's the coolest. Okay, so you will need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. All we need, the lowercase letters, A through Z. That's it. So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We only have one job today. We are going to practice matching the lowercase letters with our good old buddy Stitch. And when we get to the star, you know we'll be all done. So let's match. Okay, friends, let's get started. Make sure you have your lowercase letters out in front of you. And here we go. We know Stitch is going to help us find those lowercase letters. And guess what is so cool about these letters? They look like cookies. Oh my goodness. Stitch is going to want to try to eat these, so we have to try to find these as quickly as possible. Okay, look at your choices. Which letter is O? Ooh, I hope you found this one. O, lowercase O. Okay, let's get that one out of there and get the next letter. Okay, ooh, looks like we've got our next letters. Which one is letter G? G. Look at your choices and find letter G. Ooh, yes, I hope you found this one right here, lowercase g. Okay, let's get the next one. Okay, friends, next letter. Find letter F. F. Yes, I hope you found this one right here, letter F. Okay, get that out of there before Stitch gets it. Okay, next letter. Ooh, find letter N. N. I hope you found this one. N. Yes. Okay, hurry. Get the next letter. Okay, friends, look at your choices. Which one is letter H? H. I hope you found this one. H. Yes. Okay, hurry. He's looking extra hungry. Okay, friends, look at your letters. Which one is lowercase a? A. Yes, I hope you found this one here. Lowercase a. Okay, next letter. Ooh, okay, next letter. Find letter J. J. Ooh, I hope you found this one. J. Yes. Okay, we're doing so awesome. Keep going. Next letter, find letter I. I. Ooh, that one could be tricky. I hope you found this one. Little line down with a dot. That's the lowercase I. Yes. Okay, next letter. Okay, friends, look at your choices. Find the letter T. T. Yes, this letter T looks so yummy. Uh-oh, Stitch is ready. Okay, friends, find the letter E. E. I hope you found this one. Hit the ball, run the base. Lowercase e. Yes. Okay, next one. Okay, friends, your next letter. Find the letter U. U. I hope you found this one. U. Yes. Okay, next one. Hurry, quick. Okay, friends, your next letter. Find letter K. K. Ooh, I hope you found this one. K. Lowercase k. Watch out, Stitch is so hungry. Next letter. Find letter M. M. Ooh, I hope you found this one. M. I bet these cookies are so tasty. We gotta hurry and get to the next one. All right, friends. Ooh, find letter S. S. Oh, I hope you found this one. S. for like Stitch. Oh, look, and that, and it's even a blue cookie. Uh-oh, he's gonna really want this one. We better hurry. Okay, friends, find letter C. C. Ooh, I know. Everybody found this one. C. Just a magic C. Easy peasy. Okay, next letter. Okay, friends, find the letter Y. Y. I know my friends found this one. Y. Yes. Okay, next one. Okay, look at your choices. Find letter L. L. Oop, I hope you found this one. Letter L. Now remember, when it's letters, this is a lowercase L. If it's numbers, it's a number 1. We have to remember that. But right now, we're doing lowercase letters. So here we go, lowercase L. Okay, next one. Okay, friends, find letter P. P. Ooh, I hope you found this one. P. Yes. Okay, next one. Next letter, find R. R. Ooh, I hope you found this one right here. R. Yes. Okay, next letter. Look at your choices. Find letter X. X. Ooh, I hope you found this one. X. Yes. Okay, hurry. Stitch is getting so hungry. Okay, next letter. Find B. B. Ooh, I hope you found this one. Ooh, with the big belly. B. B and D. Ooh, they get very confused sometimes. It's a little bit tricky. Ooh, but we wanted this one to have a B, like a little belly. Yes. Okay, next letter. All right, our next letter. Find letter W. W. Ooh, I hope you found this one. W. Down, up, down, up. Yes. Okay, next letter. Okay, look at your choices. Find letter V. V. Ooh, I hope you found this one. Lowercase v. Yes. Okay, next letter. All right, here we go, friends. Look at your choices. Find letter D. D. Ooh, I hope you found this one. D. Yes. Okay, let's get the next one. Guess what, friends? We only have 2 letters left. Look at your choices. Which one is Z? Z. Ooh, I hope you found this one, letter Z. Okay, and our last letter. What is our last letter? You're right. It's letter Q. Q. Oh my goodness, we did such an amazing job. Whew. And Stitch is ready to eat these cookies. So let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Yes! Oh my goodness, that was awesome. Stitch was helping us out match those lowercase letters with those yummy looking cookies. And of course we know they were plastic cookies, not real cookies. But Stitch sure wanted to eat them, didn't he? He's so funny. Okay, let's check that off. Ready, check. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.